Who told you that you can't rest? Or that you can't rest until you check everything off your to-do list? As if like rest is some reward that you get for doing all the things you're supposed to do. Except that rest is not. Rest is not a reward. Rest is a requirement. So I got a question for you. Who told you? No, really. Who told you that? This question came about because I remember one day being very frazzled, very tired, just feeling overwhelmed because I had a lot to do. I didn't want to sit down before I got everything done, but I really needed a break. And so I just kept feeling like, but I got to get this done. I can't sit down. It's like I had this feeling of like, I'm not doing enough if I sit down. And then it was as if God tapped me on the shoulder and said, who told you that you're not doing enough? And who told you you can't rest? I'll be honest. Oh, I did answer. I did have an answer. I said, Lord, my finances. My finances. I need to get these things done because my finances are dependent on it. And he was like, oh, your finances tell you what to do. Not me. I'm supposed to be your God, but finances can tell you that you can't rest, and you can completely forget about my command to you to rest. What is that about? I immediately just felt so like, oh, you're right. You're right. I'm trusting in my finances, being led by my finances more than I'm being led by God. I'm not saying you're doing the same thing, but how about we reflect? How about you take a moment to reflect and think about that? And in the meantime, I'm going to invite you to Restoration Reset, because we're going to be talking about this even more. We're going to be talking about how to break this cycle of not being able to rest, not being able to pause, slow down from busyness. Hope to see you March 6th. If you need some information about how to enroll, I do have a link in my bio, or you could just simply type rest in the comments and I'll make sure you get the information you need.